FreshBooks is an accounting software that promises to streamline your finances, but before you buy, there are a few things you need to know. If you're considering FreshBooks, you're probably comparing it to other accounting platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave. So, let's walk through 12 key points to help you make the best decision. First thing to consider, FreshBooks is designed with simplicity in mind, so it's a great option for small businesses, freelancers, and service-based professionals. Unlike QuickBooks, which can be overwhelming for beginners, FreshBooks offers a more intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Next thing, pricing. FreshBooks is relatively affordable, starting at $15 per month, which can be a good deal if you're looking for something that doesn't break the bank. However, the pricing structure might feel limiting compared to competitors like Wave, which offers a free plan with essential features. So, if cost is a major factor, that's something to think about. The third thing is integrations. FreshBooks integrates with a variety of tools like PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify, but it might not have as many options as QuickBooks or Xero, which offer a wider range of integrations, especially for larger businesses. If you run a business with complex needs, that could be a limiting factor. Fourth thing to note, FreshBooks time tracking features. It allows you to track time easily for billing clients, which is perfect for freelancers or service businesses. However, if you need advanced project management features, like in QuickBooks, you might feel FreshBooks lacks some depth in this area. Next up, reporting. FreshBooks offers essential reports such as profit and loss, expenses, and tax summaries, which is perfect for smaller businesses. However, if you need more detailed financial analysis, Xero's reporting options may offer more customization. The sixth thing to know is invoicing. FreshBooks excels in invoicing, providing customization options, recurring invoices, and payment reminders. Compared to competitors, it stands out for ease of use, but if you need a more complex invoicing system, QuickBooks might have more advanced features. Next thing, customer support. FreshBooks offers excellent customer support with 24/7 availability via chat, email, and phone. While competitors like Wave also have customer support, FreshBooks generally stands out for its responsiveness and friendly service. The eighth thing is mobile access. FreshBooks has a solid mobile app that allows you to manage invoices, expenses, and track time on the go. However, QuickBooks and Xero offer more comprehensive mobile features for businesses with more complex needs. Ninth thing, multiple users. FreshBooks allows you to add team members to your account, but it can get pricey when adding additional users. If you run a team and need multiple users at an affordable rate, Wave might be a better choice with its free plan for multiple users. Next up, tax handling. FreshBooks simplifies tax calculations with automatic tax tracking, but it's still not as robust as some competitors. QuickBooks, for example, provides more advanced tax management features, which may be essential if you're in a state with complex tax requirements. The 11th thing to consider is scalability. FreshBooks is excellent for small to mid-sized businesses, but if your company expands, you may hit limits. QuickBooks or Xero are better suited for companies that need scalable solutions as they grow, offering more robust features for larger teams. Finally, the last thing, the 30-day free trial. FreshBooks offers a risk-free 30-day trial, which gives you a chance to test out its features before committing. This is a great option, but do keep in mind that if you're looking for more comprehensive financial tools or a free plan, there are alternatives like Wave. So, is FreshBooks a good choice? Absolutely. It's an easy-to-use, solid accounting solution for freelancers and small businesses, especially if you value simplicity and strong invoicing features. But if you're looking for something more robust and customizable, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.